Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khammagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and today we are talking about a topic CBSE 9 in one shot, and the topic for today is your circles, right? So we'll be discussing all the theorems that you have learned in this topic, and then we'll solve some questions related to this part. Okay, so let's start this class without wasting any more time. So let us start with what is a circle, what are some definitions over there. So a circle is collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, right? This is the definition of a circle: collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane. That is, this is the fixed point, the radius is the fixed distance. So all the points which are at the fixed distance from this point A will be forming a circle, right? So this is your called radius, center, circle. Okay, now a circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. Any plane in which we have a circle, that plane is divided by circle in three parts: some points which are inside the circle, points which are on the circle, and points which are outside the circle. Okay, so if we have a circle in a plane, any point I pick, it will be one of the 3 points. Either it will be inside, or it will be on, or it will be outside. These are the three cases possible. Okay, then the second thing is PQ is a chord if it is joining any 2 points, if it is joining any 2 points on the circle. So the line joining any 2 points of the circle will be called a chord. It will be called a chord. And remember, diameter is that chord of the circle which passes through the center. Diameter is that chord of the circle which is passes through the center. And remember, diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay, then a piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Okay, suppose if we have a circle, so this point and this point if I take, so this thing is called an arc. So arc is part of a circle, part of the circumference. Okay, semicircle means if I divide the diameter, divide the circumference into two equal parts, so this is called semicircle. Half part of the circle is called semicircle. Okay, half part of the circle is called semicircle. Then these are called sector, and this is called segment. Okay, sector is the part of the circular area, circular region between the two radiuses and the corresponding arc. So if the arc is minor one, minor sector; if arc is the major one, major sector. And segment is the area between a chord and the corresponding arc. If it is between the chord and the minor arc, minor segment; chord and the major arc, major segment. Okay, now angle subtended by a chord at a point. So remember this thing, that if what is the meaning of angle subtended by a chord at a point? So if we have a chord AB, okay, so AOB will be the angle subtended by this chord at the center. Okay, ACB will be the angle subtended by this chord at the circumference or in the major sector, है ना? Got it? अब देखो some theorems बेटा. So first theorem says equal chords for circles obtain equal angle at the center. That means if we have PQ equal to RS, if PQ equal to RS, then I can say angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. Then angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. ठीक है बेटा? This is the part. I am not doing the proof. Proof is simple congruency. All the proofs I have done in detail in Umang series. So I am not doing the proof right now. Alright? Okay. Next part, beta. The converse of this theorem is if two chords obtain equal angle at the center, then I can say chords will also be equal. So I can say if angle POQ is equal to angle ROS, then we can say the chord PQ is equal to RS. Angle subtended by two chords at the center is, if it is equal, chords will also be equal. Then it is a very important theorem used in many of the proofs. Perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Simple thing. If we draw a perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, it will bisect the chord. So I will say, sir, if OB is perpendicular to AC, then I can say AB is equal to BC. Then AB is equal to BC. The converse of it is also true. That is, the line drawn through the center, the line drawn through the center of a circle, and join the and that line, if it is joining with the midpoint of a chord, if this line is joining with the midpoint of the chord, so if AB is equal to BC given, and if I join this midpoint of this chord with the center of the circle, then this line OB will be perpendicular to the chord AC. Okay, both the way it is true. Next part, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Distance means what? The perpendicular distance from a point. So ON is the distance of the chord CD, OM is the distance of the chord AB. So if we have AB equal to CD, then ON is equal to OM. Remember beta, where ON is perpendicular to CD, OM is perpendicular to CD. ON is perpendicular to CD, OM is perpendicular to AB. Remember this thing. Distance between the line and the point is, draw the perpendicular from that point on the center. So you can say OM is the distance if OM is perpendicular to AB. ON is the distance between O and the chord CD if ON is perpendicular to CD. Remember this thing. Okay, converse is also true. That is, if ON equal to OM, if distance of two chords are equal from the center, then chords are also equal. AB is equal to CD. Alright. After that, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That means, suppose if we have this arc PQ, or you can, if you want, you can join chord PQ also, anything. So if we have this arc PQ, suppose this arc PQ is subtending an angle of x degrees at the center over here. So at the remaining part, matlab other than this arc, in the remaining part of this part, anywhere the angle will be half of it, so it will be x by 2 degrees. Similarly, if this angle over here is, suppose, let's say x degree, so this is the arc. So this arc is subtending an angle of x degree at the center. So in the remaining part of the circle here, we will get it as x by 2 degrees. And here if PQ, suppose if we take the case of semicircle, it is a special case. Semicircle case, if we'll take beta, I know the angle subtended over here will be 180 degree because it is a straight line. So this angle will be half of it, which is 90 degree. So from here we get to know that angle at the semicircle, angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. Angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. Okay. Then angles in the same segment of a circle are equal by, obviously, if dekho, I have told you everywhere in this part the angle will be half of x. So here I can say, let's say sir, if this angle is equal to x degree for this arc, in the remaining part this angle will be x by 2. This angle is also x by 2. So that is why we can say angles in the same segment are equal. Okay, then the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. That means if all the 4 points of a quadrilateral lies on the circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral, and the opposite pairs are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Okay beta, this is your proof. Converse is, if in a quadrilateral sum of opposite angles is 180 degree, then we can say that the quadrilateral will be cyclic. Vice versa, both the ways it will work. Okay beta, so till here we have covered all your theorems which are there in your chapter. So this session you can always use for revising the end moment before the class. You can revise with this topic. Okay, the next thing, if you are facing difficulty in your examination part and you feel that you can score more marks, if you need some help or anything, even for revision you need some help, or even for learning, Vedantu is there for you, because here right now you have unlimited live classes to attend. You have the doubt solving facility over here. You can download the notes. All the good features are here which will help you a lot in your preparation. So you can register for the course by clicking on the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video, which will be like, with subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Subscribe to Vedantu Pro subscription link will be there in the description box, or it will be in the pinned comment as well. Apply the coupon code GPE Pro to get 20% off. To get 20% off. ठीक है बेटा. Now let's look at the question. Okay, but today for 3 days, now we are having a good deal for you. So I will tell you about that deal. 50% off we are getting. So I'll tell you about the prices at the end. Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखो, find the length of the chord which is at the distance of 3 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. अब बेटा see, obviously I know they are saying length of the chord which is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the center. So the distance of this chord AB is given 3 centimeter from the center. So I can clearly say, if they say OL is the distance between the center and the chord, we can clearly say OL will be perpendicular to AB. So OL is given as 3 centimeter. AO radius is given as 5 centimeter. So I can clearly say in triangle OAL, OA square is equal to OL square plus AL square. When you solve it, AL is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, so 16. So 16, so AL will be equal to 4 centimeter. Right? अब बेटा देखो, by since OL is perpendicular to AB, we can say AL and LB both will be equal. AL and LB will be, L will be the midpoint. So both are 4 centimeter. So I can say length of the chord AB will be equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Done? Easy question, right? Not much in this question. Easy one. Alright? Okay? Okay? Let's go for the next question. Now देखो what the next question is saying. Two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter are drawn on the opposite sides of the center of a circle of radius 17 centimeter. Find the distance between the chords. Okay, so we have a circle over here like this. One chord is of distance 30 centimeter, one chord is of distance 16 centimeter. Let's say this is the center, and the radius is given 17. If I drop the perpendicular on both the chords, okay, on both the chords. अब बेटा देखो, since both the chords are parallel, okay, let's say A, B, C, D. Since both the chords are parallel, if I draw a line which is perpendicular to AB, it will be perpendicular to CD as well. So this PQ is a straight line. This PQ is a straight line. So we have told that this PQ is perpendicular to, this PQ is perpendicular to AB as well as CD. This PQ is perpendicular to AB as well as CD. PQ is perpendicular to AB and PQ is perpendicular to CD and PQ is passing through O. ठीक है? अब बेटा देखो भाई AB total is given as 30 centimeters. Okay, अब I know beta OP. If PQ is perpendicular to AB, we can say OP is also perpendicular to AB. So it will divide AB in two equal parts. So I can say AP and PB both will be equal to 15 centimeters. So this has become now 15 centimeter. Use Pythagoras theorem. I can say, sir, in triangle OPA, okay, we can say OP square is equal to AO square minus AP square. OP square, hypotenuse is AO square, na? So AO square is OP square plus AP square. So shift it over there. 17 square minus 15 square will be 64. 289 minus 225. So OP will be 8 centimeters. Right? Similarly, beta, now I will go for this part. By I know CD is given 16 centimeters, and we know that if PQ is perpendicular to CD, I can say OQ is also perpendicular to CD. So perpendicular from center will bisect the chord. So CQ is equal to QD. Both will be equal to 8 centimeters. So this is 8, this is 17. So I can say, sir, in triangle CQO, if I use Pythagoras theorem, COO square is equal to CQ square plus OQ square. So from here you will get OQ as 15 centimeters. So this is 15, this is 8. I can say the distance between the two chords, which is PQ, is equal to 15 plus 8, which is 23 centimeters. The distance between them is 23 centimeters. Alright, so this is how very easy question. It will be solved like this. Okay, beta? So this is how this question will be solved. 2 times we have used Pythagoras theorem. Next question, see. In figure, if O is the center of the circle and if angle OAB, this angle is given as 40 degree. OCB is given as 30 degree. They are saying कि भैया find out angle AOC. अब देखो, I know AO, OB, OC all are equal to radius. So triangle AOB, I can say, sir, in triangle AOB, if I have AO is equal to BO, then I can say angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Both will be equal to 40 degrees. If it is 40, this is also 40 degrees. ठीक है बेटा? Similarly, in triangle BOC, I can say if it is 30 degree, this will also be equal to 30 degree. Angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Both are equal to 30 degrees. Right? So I can say, sir, angle ABC now is equal to 30 plus 40, which is equal to 70 degrees. Right? And beta, this arc is subtending an angle AOC at the center and ABC at the circumference. So I can say angle AOC will be double of angle ABC, or you can say angle ABC is half of AOC, same thing. So it will be equal to 2 times of 70 degree. So angle AOC is equal to 140 degrees. Alright. So question number 3 will be your correct answer. Sorry, 140 degree will be your correct answer. Alright. Let's move ahead. Next question. Acha, before that, I will try to tell you all that Vedantu Olympiad School, so it has launched a course to excel in INMO, the national level INMO camp. So these are your awesome teachers. Okay, and the registration link for registering this also is given in the description box. Okay, so the classes are starting from 21st January. So all of you can top 10 topic wise classes, 2 hours each. Very awesome course it is. All of you, those who are interested in this, can join this. The link is also given in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. ठीक है बेटा, अब देखो इस क्वेश्चन को देखो. Look at this question carefully. What this question is saying, ध्यान से पढ़ो. In this figure, O is the center of the circle. देखो O यहाँ कहीं पे दिया हुआ है. O is given over here. O is the center of the circle, and if angle ABD is 35, BAC is 70 degree, find angle ACB. ये वाला एंगल बेटा अपने को पता करना है. We need to find out this angle. Okay. अब देखो सिंपल सी बात है बेटा भाई. If it is 70, this angle if I need to find out, if I knew this angle, I can easily find out. If I knew any 2 angles of the triangle ABC, I can easily find out the third angle. But here I don't know what is this much part. So angle sum property is not working. Angle sum property for ABC is not working. Then what I saw, one thing I saw, कि sir BD is a diameter. Because O is given on BD, BD is a diameter. So I can clearly say angle at the semicircle will be 90 degree. So this angle should be 90 degree. Angle DAB must be equal to 90 degree because angle at semicircle. If angle DAB is 90 degree, I can say, sir, if this much part is 70, the remaining part will be 20 degree. So I can say, sir, angle DAC is equal to 90 minus 70, which is equal to 20 degree. Okay, chalo, this is 20, but will it help us? No, it won't help, and 20 degree won't help. But I know this thing will help, that in angle DAB now, in triangle DAB now, I can use angle sum property. I know this angle is 90. I know this angle is 35. So I can say, sir, in triangle ADB, one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 35 degree. The other angle ADB, is unknown. Total is 180 degree. So from here you have got angle ADB is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, beta, this angle is what? 55 degrees. And we have just learned angle in the same segment are equal. So if I assume this AB as the chord, so angle ADB and angle ACB, they must be equal. So I can say angle ADB is equal to angle ACB. Both will be 55 degree because angles in the same segment are equal. Alright, so this is how this question will be solved. All the questions are comparatively easy. You just have to look at the diagram carefully. Okay, look at the diagram carefully, think of the question, everything will be easy. Okay, chalo, let's go for the next question, beta. Now next question is this. In the adjoining figure, DE is a chord parallel to diameter AC of a circle with center O. So remember this thing, this and this, they both are parallel. Alright. If angle CBD is 60 degree, this angle is given as 60 degree, find or calculate angle CDE. This angle we need to find out CDE. Okay, we need to find out CDE. What I can say, sir, I can say one thing, sir. If this angle is 60 degree, I know OB and OC both are equal to each other. So I can say, sir, in triangle OBC, okay, OB is equal to OC. So angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Both are equal to 60 degrees. So this is also 60 degrees. Alright. One more thing I know. Since BD is a diameter, angle BCD must be 90 degree. Angle BCD जो है बेटा, it must be 90 degree. We can say angle BCD is equal to 90 degree because it is angle at semicircle. Right? So I can clearly say, sir, angle OCD. So this angle will be how much? So I can say angle OCD is equal to angle BCD, which is 90, minus angle OCB, which is 60. So 90 minus 60 is how much? 30 degree, obviously. By this angle is 30 degree. That is why the complete angle is 90 degree. अब बेटा I know OC and OD are also equal. अच्छा, उतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. Now I know AC and DE are parallel. So this angle and this angle will be interior alternate angle. So angle CDE is equal to angle OCD. Both will be 30 degree. Reason is interior alternate angle. Done. Khatam karo question ko. What else? Nothing. Right? So this is how this question will be solved. So angle CDE is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, POQ is a diameter and PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. If angle PSR is 150, find angle RPQ. RPQ, this angle we need to find out. अब बेटा देखो, I know one thing that PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles will be supplementary. So angle S and angle Q must be supplementary. So angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree because they are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Alright. So angle S is 150 plus angle Q, I don't know, is equal to 180 degree. So angle Q is equal to 30 degrees. This is equal to how much, beta? It is equal to 30 degrees. So if it is 30, this angle we need to find out. One more thing. By O is lying on PQ. We know PQ is a diameter. So PQ, if it is a diameter, so angle PRQ must be 90 degree, angle at the semicircle. So we can say angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree because angle at semicircle. Right? अब बेटा देखो, if it is 90, if it is 30, so I can say, sir, in triangle PRQ, 90 plus 30 plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. You got angle RPQ as 60 degrees. Okay. So the value of this angle RPQ will be equal to 60 degrees. Alright, beta. This is how this question will be solved. Acha. As I was telling you before leaving that today, right now from 14 January to 17 January, you are having a special discount 50% off, up to 50% off on your courses, okay, up to rupees 2000 off. So the prices after the discount will be this is the price for 1 month and this is the price for 3 months. Okay, so and remember this price is inclusive of all the courses, all the subjects. So 1 month course is very beneficial for you. एक महीने का course लोगे 1300 something, all the subjects. If you have full confidence on you, you can complete your whole syllabus in one course, because all the micro courses, everything is present there. Okay, so this is all beta in this class. Remember, link for registration is mentioned in the description box. GPE Pro will give you 20% off. All right, so thank you so much. Please don't forget to like the video before you leave. It won't take hardly 1 second. And then share a video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much, beta. I hope all of you understood this part. Do practice this question, and especially the part theorems where I've discussed. You can always use that for your revision part. Okay. So thank you so much, beta. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.